Welcome to our cozy corner on the internet. In this channel, we are dedicated to exploring the top 5 books on various topics. I'm Aika Wong, and together, we will delve into books that have the power to truly enrich your life. Today, we embark on an exciting literary journey through The Psychology of Money by the incredible Morgan Housel. He excels at simplifying complex financial concepts, boasting an impressive career that includes collaborations with prestigious financial and economic institutions. Stick around for my personal insights and book recommendations. So, get comfortable, and let's explore the world of words together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more. Embark on an exploration into the hidden narrative of money and adventure beyond mere currency and figures, uncovering the captivating psychology that underlies it all. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel delves into the quirks, biases, and emotional landscapes that dictate our financial decisions. The power of compounding. One of the book's core themes is the remarkable power of compounding, not just in finance but in life itself. Housel beautifully illustrates how patience and consistency can magnify even small financial decisions into substantial wealth over time. Understanding risk and uncertainty. Money isn't just about numbers, it's about emotions. The book discusses how we perceive risk and uncertainty, often making decisions based on fear or greed. Understanding this can profoundly impact our financial success. Behavioral biases and money. Housel explores the behavioral biases that influence our financial choices. From the fear of missing out to the impact of overconfidence, these biases often lead to irrational decisions that impact our wealth. Narratives. Stories we tell ourselves about money play a significant role. Housel emphasizes how these stories shape our financial behaviors, impacting our success or failure. In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel doesn't just talk numbers, he decodes the human side of finance. By understanding these psychological principles, we can navigate the financial world more consciously and constructively. A person looking at their reflection in a mirror, symbolizing self-reflection and understanding one's relationship with money. Remember, it's not just about what's in your bank account, it's about what's in your mind. The Psychology of Money is a journey worth exploring. Finally, my personal opinion on The Psychology of Money. It's like that friendly neighbor who always has the best money advice. It's a down-to-earth book that's perfect if you want to understand money without getting lost in jargon. But if you're seeking in-depth financial strategies, this might not be your treasure map. So, here's the deal. If you're into the big picture of money, it's like a relaxed chat with a buddy. But if you're a numbers geek hungry for charts, you might want to explore other financial avenues. Now, as for recommended books, first up, Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover is your transformation toolkit, guiding you from debt to wealth. And secondly, Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor is your stock market treasure map, shared by a wise old friend with a wealth of knowledge. In the end, The Psychology of Money is your guide to financial wisdom. Whether it becomes your North Star or just a pit stop on your money journey is entirely up to you. Quick reminder, before you go, you'll find the link to the full audiobook in the description below. If you haven't subscribed or liked the video, please consider doing so. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep turning those pages. And see you in the next video.